Vidnami Review 2021, Free Trial Inside. Make sure you watch this before you sign up. In this Vidnami review video, I will be taking you through a very powerful tool that allows you to create professional and amazing videos. If you are reading this, I guess you are probably looking for how to make beautiful videos quickly. I have included the links to get this awesome Vidnami, both the free trial version and the 25% discounted version, below this video. Kindly click on them to get started immediately. But before I continue, I want to say that if you're on this channel for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe and notification buttons on this channel so that anytime we upload educative and inspiring videos or reviews of some very amazing products like Vidnami, you can see it almost immediately. Also, remember to like, share and comment on this video. This is because day by day, videos are just getting greater and greater. It's been discovered that utilizing the force of video is in a real sense the key to online business success. As the well-known adage goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Can you picture in your mind a video? Which is literally, pictures moving. Passing on your marketing message plainly. Increasing your conversions. Getting more leads and sales. Building trust with your prospects. That's correct, that is the power of video. I think at this very point, the word video can be used to describe the word money. But seriously, those who are not using video are missing a whole lot. And sincerely, we can't blame them, neither can we blame you if you aren't maximizing the use of video to its full potentials. Let's face it, creating high-quality videos is not easy at all. Are you camera shy? Do you really have the technical expertise? Do you have time for editing that usually takes a whole lot of time? Do you have access and know how to use those very expensive complex video creation tools? The list could go on and on, but I guess you understand what I am talking about here. However, the question remains. How can we create stunning videos quickly, without dealing with all the painful obstacles listed earlier? Well, that's exactly the reason for the review for Vidnami you are currently watching. What is Vidnami exactly? To put it briefly, Vidnami is a powerful video creator that allows you to create professional mind-blowing videos without having to appear on camera, and without needing or having any technical expertise. Of course, Vidnami is not an automated tool, so it means it still needs some levels of little work to be done. And by work, I mean working with an exciting script or blog, do a few clicks here and there, and before you know it, boom. Stunning videos are created, without any editing experience needed. Vidnami, formerly known as Content Samurai. However, before we progress any further, just to clear up some confusion that may want to arise in some of our hearts, Content Samurai has rebranded to Vidnami. They are as yet unchanged, Content Samurai Group, same magnificent programming, simply another name. It happens that you don't know about Content Samurai previously, that was Vidnami's past name. Many individuals have been utilizing Content Samurai since 2015. So I simply needed to rapidly make reference to that, to clear up any confusion, particularly for the long-time clients of Content Samurai. Likewise, at the hour of composing this, Vidnami is as yet going through their rebranding. However, once more, Vidnami and Content Samurai in a real sense a similar device, claimed by similar individuals. Simply an alternate name, in light of their rebranding. If you want to try out the software, they still have the 14-day free trial with no credit card required for the time being. I have included the links to get this awesome Vidnami, both the free trial version and the 25% discounted version, below this video. Kindly click on them to get started immediately. Vidnami Pricing and Cost. Things being what they are, what amount does Vidnami actually cost? Vidnami has three unique choices with their evaluating plans. Vidnami Pricing and Cost. Their first option is the 14-day free trial offer. The second choice is the amount you'll be paying each month for the Vidnami, which is $47 per month. Despite the fact that it's less expensive and much more affordable than most other video maker devices, it can in any case be somewhat expensive. So what I want to do is to give you another option you will still see in the course of watching this video review about a special 25% discount offer. Lastly, we have the yearly arrangement choice for $397 every year, which winds up saving you a whole lot of money also. I will be really straightforward with you, the last arrangement isn't actually for everybody, it's more helpful if you plan on using Vidnami on a long-term basis and you plan to save money up front. Check out this statistics here. $47 per month by a year equals $564 every year. $564 to $397, yearly arrangement, equals $167 in additional savings. Which implies you save $167 every year with the yearly arrangement, if you happen to pay $47 per month for a whole year. Yet, don't stress yourself. If you will prefer having a monthly discounted rate, just keep on reading as I have got you covered. Vidnami discount. Tips on how to get it cheaper. So we understand what is the issue here, and we realize that it cost $47 per month. So the question is, are there certain discounts or coupon codes for Vidnami? Well, there are no coupon codes, but discounts, that's a big yes. I will leave the discounts below so you can check them out. How to get instant 25% off Vidnami for life. The implication of this is that you will be getting Vidnami for just $35 per month, rather than the $47 a month value, which implies you save an extra $144 per year with that discount. What's also wonderful to note is that for as long as you keep your monthly subscription to the service, you'll lock in that discount rate almost permanently. So the savings will definitely add up over time. I have included the links to get this awesome Vidnami, both the free trial version and the 25% discounted version, below this video. Kindly click on them to get started immediately. 14-day free trial of Vidnami. Do you know that it's not only that you can have access to the amazing discount mentioned earlier, but even if you have not used Vidnami yet, or you just want to try it out without paying first to see how it works, then you can just start with their free trial, with no credit card required. So the option is now yours. You can use the Vidnami free trial, which is 100% risk-free, to create an unlimited number of traffic pumping videos for yourself. And kindly note this, even after you have ended your Vidnami free trial, you can still keep and make use of the videos you've created inside of Vidnami without paying anything further subsequently. And of course, after the 14 days, you can either choose to buy Vidnami, based on the option you prefer, and create great videos with them on a long term, or you can simply cancel your account if you feel Vidnami is not the right tool for you. I have included the links to get this awesome Vidnami, both the free trial version and the 25% discounted version, below this video. Kindly click on them to get started immediately. Vidnami bonuses. If you choose to your Vidnami package even with the amazing discount offer, kindly note that you will be getting the following bonuses free of charge. Storyblocks video clip library. Save $468 per year. Unlimited access to over 790,000 plus premium video clips included free with your Vidnami account. Storyblocks music tracks. Save $180 per year. Unlimited access to over 30,000 Storyblocks music tracks included free with your Vidnami account. Ultimate Video Traffic Blueprint Pack. Save $49. These templates are now responsible for over 7 billion video views. 21 ways to find clients cheat sheet. Save $49. Discover how to launch a profitable video agency from the comfort of your own home. 5-minute Facebook ad formula. Save $49. Discover the 3 secrets for creating high-converting video ads on Facebook. Convert your phone into a pro video camera cheat sheet. Save $29. Discover the exact mic and lighting system you need to get pro results straight away. Ultimate YouTube SEO cheat sheet. Save $49. Discover 22 proven tips and tricks to lock in top rankings on YouTube. Even though it might sound quite unbelievable, all of these incredible bonuses delivers you an incredible $1,365 of value, and all you need to pay today is just $35. Kindly note that the free bonuses you are getting are specifically meant to give you everything you could ever need to become a massive success with your video marketing efforts. All of these bonuses are designed to help you get more views, traffic, leads, and sales to grow your business online. Final word on Vidnami for now. You need to hurry up to get your Vidnami package as soon as possible. It allows you to create professional high-quality videos, without actually being on camera yourself, and you don't really need to have a lot of technical skills. However, kindly note that the tool needs to be used properly. Don't expect to get access to the tool, and just start making money magically. You need to sit down and create successful video marketing campaigns, and this definitely requires a bit of work. Where Vidnami comes in is that it's a good and amazing tool, and you need good tools to produce high-quality videos fast. How successful you are with Vidnami depends solely on how you decide to use it. If used correctly, it can definitely produce amazing results very quickly. But generally, I will advise test driving the software first, because it's best to see the tool in action for yourself. I have included the links to get this awesome Vidnami, both the free trial version and the 25% discounted version, below this video. Kindly click on them to get started immediately. Lastly, if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe and notification buttons so that anytime we upload educative and inspiring videos or reviews of some very amazing products like Vidnami, you can see it almost immediately. Also, remember to like, share and comment on this video.